This is New India, where comedians, journalists, activists, protesters are banned, but no action is taken against NSO, the company that was involved in the Pegasus spyware scandal. Bogus Janata Party, as expected, has told the parliament that there is no proposal to ban the NSO group, the manufacturer of the Pegasus spyware.
सवाल बहुत साफ था कि क्या अमेरिका ने ब्लैकलिस्ट किया है एनएसओ ग्रुप को, क्योंकि उसने पेगासस स्पाईवेयर तैयार किया था और उसका इस्तेमाल पत्रकारों को, एम्बेसी वर्कर्स को और एक्टिविस्ट को टारगेट करने के लिए किया गया है। और क्या भारत में भी इस पर प्रतिबंध लगाया गया है? वेदर द मिनिस्ट्री हैज आल्सो बैंड द एनएसओ ग्रुप। जवाब में राजीव चंद्रशेखर ने बहुत साफ शब्दों में कहा है कि उनके पास पहले तो कोई जानकारी नहीं है कि अमेरिका ने ऐसा कोई प्रतिबंध लगाया है, और दूसरा जो महत्वपूर्ण सवाल था कि आप भारत में प्रतिबंध लगाया, उन्होंने कहा है देयर इज नो प्रपोजल फॉर बैनिंग एनी ग्रुप, ऐसा कोई प्रस्ताव भी नहीं है।
Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, also gave no reason as to why the government has not banned the controversial firm that has even been blacklisted by the US. It is important to note that there are allegations that the Modi government used Pegasus, an anti-terrorist spyware only sold to vetted governments, to spy on its own people. Journalists, political leaders, human rights activists, BSF, Army and RAW, and Election Commission officials in the country. The seriousness of the matter can be gauged from the fact that on October 27th, the Supreme Court of India appointed a 3-member technical committee to investigate allegations that the Pegasus software was used to snoop on Indian people. The nation needs no more convincing that the Modi government, led by Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, do not have the best interests of our people and our national security in mind. It is shameful, illegal and treasonous.